Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at the Barbie signature Disney A Wrinkle in Time dolls. Here is Miss Witch, played by Oprah Winfrey. Sorry, just fangirling a little here. Here is Miss Whatsit, played by Reese Witherspoon, and Miss Who, played by Mindy Kaling. I pre-ordered these dolls about a month ago from barbie.mattel.com, and they were $50 a piece, and now I go on there and I see that if you buy the whole set, it's 10% off. Don't know how long that sale will last, but just letting you know. But I just had to have these dolls. They are so unique and beautiful. And there's Oprah. I don't know how I'm going to stay calm during this review. Seriously. I am sad to say that I have passed on a lot of dolls, many of which I regretted. So when I saw that there was a chance to get an Oprah doll, I jumped on it. On the back of the box, it says, Barbie, Disney A Wrinkle in Time. In Disney's A Wrinkle in Time, Meg Murray embarks on an epic adventure across the universe to find her missing father, traveling to worlds unknown as she fights against an evil force that threatens to cover the world in darkness. Meg has 3 celestial beings as her guides, known as Miss Witch, Miss Who, and Miss Whatsit. These 3 women are powerful warriors made of stardust, each with a special role in Meg's journey. Miss Witch is the most ancient and wise, inspiring Meg to be a warrior herself. Miss Who is quite eccentric, using her diamond spectacles to see things that are otherwise hidden to the eye. Miss Whatsit is the most youthful and free-spirited, transforming into a magnificent flying creature. Let's get these dolls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, each doll comes with a doll stand. Their dresses do a pretty good job of covering the doll stand. They also come with a certificate of authenticity. Miss Witch is wearing a silver crinkled top, a silver-colored wire-looking bodice that has sculpted details in the back, a metallic copper skirt with a black and gold overlay. There are gold details at the waist, and a black train. She wears silver earrings that can be removed. She has gold shoes with spikes, has long blonde hair that is so neat on top, then it goes into a long braid on the front. She wears a clear and gold ring, has painted blue nails, and beautiful glitter makeup. Over-the-eye dots seem to be very popular this year. Oprah, you gorgeous girl. I mean, Miss Witch. Miss Who is wearing a blue and gold dress. It's sleeveless at the top. Then it has a gold wrap that is made of a faux velvet with lots of gold foiling and some pretty faux leather around the other arm. Then there are some silver details in the front. It is very intricate and printed onto the faux velvet. And at the bottom, there is a 2-tone blue print. She comes with her diamond spectacles that are hinged in the center so they can open for her to look through. She wears silver shoes. Her hair is pulled up with a gold rope. It is curly on top with 2 braids hanging down on each side. She has painted edges, dark lipstick, markings down her arms, and silver painted nails. Her dress velcros in the front so you can remove it to reveal a simple blue dress. Miss Whatsit has a peach, green, and blue faded top with a waistband with ruffles at the top and bottom. It velcros in the back and can be removed. The top goes down the side of the dress to a point, has gathering at the waist with a purple detail, and gathering at the shoulder with a golden lace. She wears a full blue skirt with a really pretty shimmer with long wavy blue and green strips hanging down. It's kind of like seaweed. She is barefoot, has beautiful two-tone red hair. It is divided in the front with 2 curls hanging down, then comes together in the back with a low bun. She has smoky eyes and a pearly teal lipstick and silver painted nails. Their dresses are very well made, and out of the box, everyone's hair is flawless. But let's check out that articulation. They have rotation at the head, can move at the shoulder, elbow, and wrist, but those are not made to move elbows. Ah! I was hoping they were going to be made to move. Why? These dolls were $50 a piece. And after Wonder Woman, I was like, yeah, we are going to get collector dolls with some made-to-move joints. Look at those elbows. They are wonderful. And the knees. I mean, she's not a full made-to-move body, but I'll take it. But here, it looks like we have gone back to a simple hinge. Miss Who's got 'em, and Miss Witch is hiding her elbows. It doesn't look like this shirt comes off. No, I think she's sewn in. We have another Hunger Games situation here. And I do not see how to remove the bodice. I'm afraid that if I keep trying, I'm going to break it. So I'm going to stop. So we can just push the sleeve up to see her elbow. So yes, it's just a basic hinge. Miss Witch and Miss Who are curvy Barbies, so if they were made to move, I probably would have bought like 10. I am so not joking. What? I like made to move Barbies. Miss Whatsit has an original Barbie body type. Now let's check out the rest of their articulation. I kind of went off on a tangent there. They can move at the hip and bend at the knee. And once again, it's just a basic hinge, which still gets a pretty good range of motion. Miss Who has the same articulation, and Miss Whatsit has a made-to-move knee? Yep, the much sought-after made-to-move knee. So she has the knees, but not the elbows. So close. We know the made-to-move curvy Barbie exists. And yet, no luck here. But overall, the dolls are beautiful and unique. These are still curvy articulated Barbies with unique face molds. I can totally see Oprah in this doll. And Reese Witherspoon. And I'm excited to see the movie that hits theaters March 9th, 2018. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at these Wrinkle in Time dolls. Let us know what you think about this collection in the comments down below. I am so sorry I was a little more dramatic than usual today. I just had such high hopes for their articulation, but I think they are truly a must-have for our collection. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, ring the bell. Follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog, and we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.